Here we are, Overland P&W, and I found one of the coolest campers out there on the market. This right here at the show is our 89RB OE edition. So as you can see here, full decorative wrap. Once you go around the other side, you'll see that full decorative wrap. On this side, you got all more of your exhaust side of things, so it's not too much to really talk about right there with that. But we got our electric jack system, so you're not having to sit there cranking anything, drilling anything like that. Nice true adventure construction, so you're gonna have full solid walls, R13 value. You're gonna be able to get all your winter 4-season camping. This model is actually gonna fit on a short bed or long bed. We would recommend 3/4 ton and up with this guy. But look at that graphic package, like shining in the light, everything there clean, looks good with the black finishes on the windows and doors. Right in this section right here, actually, you have room for two 20-pound tanks. That's 40 pounds of propane. So that's gonna power your unit, as in your stovetop. You got your fridge that's gonna also work off that propane as well as your furnace too. Graphic full season doors as well with these guys, full graphic on all doors. As well, you got your battery compartment locked right now, but this is gonna be your battery compartment. And then even better, you have an outdoor shower on this. So you got outdoor shower, this is gonna be where your city connects are. So you can go ahead and rinse the dog, maybe you're at the beach, rinse the sand off. It's gonna allow you to be able to stay keeping everything outside, no moisture inside. And with that, you know what, let's maybe take around ourselves to the back wall here, and we'll take a look at what this unit really has to offer. So as you come around to the back, you're gonna again see that full graphic. It's nice because we went with the darker bottom, so it ties in with that dark bottom with the bumper. Full comfort step bumper. On the truck right now, you can see that there's also gonna be the stairs, so you can still get up in. But if it's off the truck and you have it lowered down, you can still flip these up and still have a step that's local there, not being moved, needing to be moved around or anything like that. Flip it back down here and I'll show you the basement. There's a basement in the bottom of this camper. Put that down for a second. And as you open it up, you can see a fully insulated basement. Aluminum framed on this model, but wood core insert. So that's gonna add rigidity. It's gonna allow insulation, a full drawer. Gonna have a full slide on the drawer. Allow you to be able to store tools, extra wires, things like that. Heated, padded tanks, as well as ducted. So you're gonna get full airflow. It's gonna stay there for your true 4-season camping. So if you're skiing, sledding, you have a full unit for the family. I'll close this up and let's take a look inside. Just like that. Just before we step in, I always like to show. Also comes gen prepped. So you have the option of being able to add generators to it, fully gen prepped for you. Allows you to be able to have that option of having that power grid for AC or things like that. But let's take a step up inside and take a look. All right, now we're in the inside. I always like to point out, dude, I'm a big guy. Lots of room in here. I got free space, not hitting anything. My head's fine, I'm 6'5". Lots of headroom still. I don't even hit that little button on the top of my hat. All good, but where we're at right now, show off the bathroom. So right here is gonna be that rear bath, full wet bath, porcelain toilet. Make sure everything's solid. Gonna stay dry, vent fan for you. Closes up out of the way so that you can have it nice and stored for you. Someone's using it, things like that. Full dinette, so you're gonna have a dinette option here. Also goes down into a bed, so it's just a quick little easy push, unlock it, goes all the way down. These top cushions fold over top, and when you're done, right back up, locks right back in. Lots of cabinetry, lots of room, spacing everywhere for it. Fantastic fan option, as well as AC, so it's gonna be a Dometic AC in here. You're gonna have your full fridge in here. So you have a full size fridge for yourself in here, being able to store the milk jugs, all the bigger items of things. Behind me, we got a nice big galley. So you're gonna have a 2 deep sink like this, double farm style, full counter space, as well as a 3 burner. So you're gonna have a full 3 burner with their temperate glass piece over top to allow you to have continued storage. Folds up over, out the way. Full control system. So this actually comes standard. This model is an OE model, comes standard with 400 watts of solar. You can add up to 600 watts on the same controller that you just saw. So that allows you to really play, go boondock, do what you need to do when you're out there. Full queen size bed, so it's going to allow you to sleep north-south, which is a nice, easy way to get out without having to climb up over anybody. You have some storage on the side, as well as you have a full wardrobe closet and some nice cabinetry wardrobes on the other side as well, and big windows. So this unit, I would say, is probably one of the best units that you're going to see out here at P&W Overland. And hey man, thanks for watching.